What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Now, oftentimes we're doing videos here on the channel with products and things from those companies out there that are friends. However, I picked up a new rifle this weekend, so we're out on the range. I thought it'd be fun to take a look at that new rifle that I picked up this weekend. So let's go. Before we talk about this thing, before we do any type of accuracy testing or anything else with it, let's have a little fun. Put 5 rounds down range. Here we go. That was fun. I say we go 10 more rounds and we do it a little faster. 10 more rounds, but this time I'm going to see if I can go just a little bit faster here. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Golly, this thing is fun. Well, that fun out of the way, let's take a closer look here at the Taurus Model 62. Yes, I said Taurus, not Rossi. And this is a little pump action 22 rifle with the 16-inch barrel, making it the carbine version. There is a 23-inch barrel version, but I find that with the 16-inch barrel version, especially this thing being patterned after a Winchester, the little 16-inch barrel makes it a little more compact, and it kind of has that same design, same feel as an old school game or competition style little gallery rifle. And with it being small, one of the other perks of the shorter barrel and shorter profile, you got a screw right here, and this thing will take down. So it'll separate into 2 pieces, front and rear. Now, one of the things I don't like about this thing, and a lot of people don't, is the design of the safety. It's got this janky little switcher lever on top of the receiver. I hate that. A lot of other people hate that. I don't know why that was designed that way, but it is what it is. Now, as far as the overall condition on this thing, you seen from having fun earlier, seemed to cycle and shoot everything fine. It does have some love wear, a little scratch and blemish on the stock. Other than that, the wood looks pretty darn good on this thing. The finish is pretty darn good, and I'm happy. So let's get this thing over on a table. Let's put a target up down range and see what kind of accuracy, what kind of groups we can get out of this little Taurus Model 62. All right, a little bit of accuracy time now. We're going to be shooting from the high-low shooting table here, the K-Zone shooting rest. Hopefully that'll stabilize us up just a little bit. I'm going to be using 2 different types of ammunition, both readily available, both what I would call, the lower end of the spectrum. Start out with some Federal Auto Match, move to some Remington Golden Bullet, and our target downrange is 25 yards. So we'll start out with that Federal Auto Match on the left. Here we go. Last one should be the Federal Auto Match here. And for the cheap Federal Auto Match, I don't know, that doesn't look too bad. All right, gonna go bullseye on the right, 5 rounds of Remington Golden Bullet now. There we go. Got to adjust a little bit here. And not too shabby there either with that Remington Golden Bullet. So with what I would consider cheap, lower grade ammunition, not too terribly shabby with the little Taurus Model 62 here. So there's my latest acquisition, the Taurus Model 62 pump and 22 long rifle. I'm just curious if anybody else out there has one of these. Please jump down in the comments below. Let me know. Let's have a conversation about it. If you're looking for more content on 22 rifles, hey, I got you a video right here. As for this one, though, we are done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.